we'll see what we can get. I'm at another show today, Sunday Fun Day, here in at the Columbia Park in Kennewick. It's a Mustang show. All right, so who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
My name's Michael Chenet.
Uh-huh. What year's your car?
It's a 1978. It's the last year of this body style. Okay, the car was a special order. My dad ordered it when I was a kid. It has a road rally race suspension. It's got a 302 with factory 4-speed. It's been blueprinted and balanced, of course, and cammed, so it's got a lot of horsepower. But everything's original. All the striping was painted on instead of vinyl.
Okay.
Got the last bolt from Ford for the seats. It's a repaint, and the seats have been redone to factory.
Okay.
I have the factory picture up on the dash. I can bring it out for you.
Yeah.
And they were only making these in V6.
Okay.
And my dad was a spokesman for Ford and special ordered the car with the T-tops and a V8. So this is what you end up with.
Wow.
Well, over the years from 78 to now, it took its toll on it, even though it was garage kept.
I've not seen these in a long time.
Yeah, we added those on because of rock chips.
So that way they don't break the headlights.
Right.
I don't even know, do they even make those anymore?
Yeah, the only place I've been able to order them from is Napa.
Okay.
And they're about $45.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time, and thank you for sharing the history of your car.
Anytime.
So this is the owner right here, the 79 Continental. Tell me the history on this car, how I met you.
So I brought this car to you because I knew you, because you tinted a couple of my cars before, and I like how you tint. You do a really good job.
Thank you.
But on this particular car, when I bought it, somebody had tinted it years ago, and it turned purple, and it gave it a completely different look, and I wanted to get rid of that look. And so you meticulously, painstakingly took off the old tint. However, you did that so they could have this classic, normal, original look. And here we are.
Nice car. Good, great shape for the year. Let's take a look at the inside.